everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm putting a little twist on the classic what's in my bag video. So today I am going to be showing you what I take in my bag if I go out for a meal, if I go for a night out, if I go to a party, generally just kind of like evening things where you don't need a lot of stuff. So the bag that I always take with me is this one from Michael Kors. I think this is called the Jet Set, something like that. It might be like envelope. I'll try and leave a link to it in the description down below if I can find one. It's not too small, it's quite a decent size, which I like because I literally carry the world and the kitchen sink with me. I know I haven't got that saying right, but I think I'm pretty close. So basically I carry everything with me when I go out. I am such a mum, I am always prepared for every situation. It's just got this long black strap with the like little buckle thing, and it's got a bit of gold detailing on it as well. This also goes with practically any outfit, so it's perfect. Inside there is one big compartment and two smaller compartments either side, so I'm just going to delve in and show you what I would take. First thing, obviously, your phone. The second thing I take is a little purse. My usual purse is huge, no surprise, I take everything in it. So when I go out I just take this with me instead. This is from Ted Baker and all I keep in here is literally my debit card and my ID. Because if it gets lost, it's not the end of the world. Like I can apply for a new driving license and I can get a new debit card. The one thing you cannot replace is your Nando's card. So that's not coming with me unless I know I'm going to Nando's. So that's that. Very minimal money, financial things. But I also take with me a loose £10 note. I don't put this in my purse purely because if it gets lost, I've got nothing. Whereas if this is in my bag and I've still got my bag with me, if I lose my entire bag, that's another story. I don't know what I would do then, but that's never happened, luckily. So I keep £10 in my bag for emergencies, like you can get a taxi home, you can get some chicken nuggets, anything that you consider an emergency, this is gonna save you on a night out. The next thing is a packet of tissues. I always have at least one packet of tissues with me. It's just one of those things, you never know when you're gonna need them or for what situation you will need them in. The next thing I have in here depends on the size of your bag, but it is my little Tangle teaser. This comes with me pretty much everywhere. I usually keep it in my normal handbag, but it's something that I always transfer over to this one. It's just one of their like travel ones, so all the bristles are kept safe. And I use this pretty much every single time I go out. So if you're looking to invest in a new bag for your nights out, I would highly recommend getting one that would fit one of these in it. And this like comfortably fits in there as well, if you get what I mean. Next up, we have chewing gum. Mine are nearly all gone, but these come in especially handy if I'm going for a meal and then going out or whatever, because after I've eaten, I don't want a stinky breath, and I usually have garlic bread. These are a lifesaver for me. This is possibly the most mum type thing that I have in this bag. Nurofen. I actually can't swallow pills, I am absolutely pathetic, so I take the Nurofen lemon melt lips instead, and these just melt on your tongue and they taste like lemon. So if you also can't take tablets, then I would highly recommend these, but just generally I would recommend taking some sort of paracetamol or whatever would sort you out if you have a headache or you're sick or you've got a stomach ache. Whatever the occasion, lemon melt lips are my friend. I also have in this bag a little Vaseline. Much like the Tangle teaser, this is one of those things that I just carry with me everywhere. I use Vaseline all the time, especially when I'm out in the colder months. I'm obsessed. Moving on, I'm not huge on this. I feel like a lot of people take a lot more, but the next thing I would recommend is taking some spare makeup with you. I really don't take too much with me. I just have my essential 4 products, and those 4 products are my concealer to top up my under eye bags or any spots or anything I have. If they're starting to appear, I want to conceal them. I also take a little brush for my concealer. This one just fits perfectly under my eyes or whatever, and this is the pointed foundation brush from Real Techniques. Then I take a couple of lip products, so I would take a lip liner and a lipstick. Whatever colour I'm wearing that night is what I'll take out with me. But here I just have the Kylie lip liner in the shade Exposed, which is my favourite lip liner, and the Body Shop's lipstick in the shade Sienna Rose Matte. So these together are a very easy to wear combination. It's really not often that I wear red lipstick if I'm going out, especially if I know I'm going to eat. So a very neutral colour is always the way forward for me. And then the final thing that I have in my bag, I told you I'm quite excessive. I always have with me a little perfume. I take with me the ones that you get as samples, either from like a perfume shop or when you make a makeup order and you get a little sample. Specifically from Charlotte Tilbury, they always send out a perfume sample, and they are the perfect travel size. So if you're dancing the night away or you're just a little bit concerned that the food you've eaten is starting to seep through your pores, absolutely lovely thought that, then you can just have a little spritz and spritz away your worries. And that was the final thing that's in my little going out bag. So I hope this video was helpful to some of you, or I hope you enjoyed it if you just wanted to have a nosy. Let me know in the comments down below below, is there any essentials that you take with you that you think I've missed out? Because I would love to know. You can never take too much with you in my opinion. Do subscribe to see my future videos, but for now, thanks for watching and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!